Analog versus digital. Now we are going to see what is analog and digital data. What is an analog data? Data represented in a continuous form as contrasted with digital data having discrete values. Data that is recorded in a form that is similar to its original structure. What is a digital data? Data that are electromagnetically stored in a form of discrete. Data will be in digital form. All data in the computer are in digital form. Analog and digital signals. Signals can be analog or digital. Analog signals can have an infinite number of values in a range. Digital signals can have only 2 values. Comparison of analog and digital signals. Analog signal, digital signal. Examples of analog and digital devices. Analog speedometer, digital speedometer. Analog clock, digital clock. Analog weighing machine, digital weighing machine. Differences between analog and digital data.